Going out for a drive on some side roads down by the countryside. A Corvette club invited me to join them, so I think this is pretty cool. I'm looking forward to this year on doing some trips, so get to enjoy my Corvette a little bit more, put some more miles, and then hopefully next year be able to get that C06. I'm kind of considering it, so I think it'll work out. I'll get to get more use out of my C7, so that's kind of the plan right now. So there's about a dozen Corvettes, got several in front of me and a couple behind me, so I think this is really nice. Been driving for a while, and one of the things that always impresses me about this Corvette is the great fuel economy. Now if I'm going on steady speed on highway, this car can get 30 miles to the gallon. Right now I'm not getting that mileage, but that's the potential that this car has, and I think it's just incredible. I've actually been able to get up to 35 on the 4-cylinder mode, so I think it's great that you don't have to compromise fuel economy. So this car makes for a great car to take on road trips. Very fuel efficient. So one trip I'm looking forward to is going to the Corvette Museum, and hopefully they can open up the factory tours again, because I'd like to see how the C8 is produced. I had the experience of seeing how the C7 was made, and I thought that was really awesome. All right, looks like I've been left behind. Should be able to catch up. Watsom Mill Bridge, 1885. I like this white Grand Sport. If this had been available when I bought my 2015, I probably would have bought this Grand Sport. I liked how it's got the aggressive look like the C06. So that was a nice trip to Watsom Mill State Park. Lots of nice side roads. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.